Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about a super stock that I really like. But before we get started, obviously I do a lot of homework with these stocks, so I do appreciate if you guys do drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Why not? Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and I will be doing more and more giveaway. Once we reach 700 subscribers, I will be doing a $70 gift card to anyone who comments down below. Now, with the election still not being called, right? It is day 3 and the election still hasn't been called. Let's look at a stock that I really do feel like it's gotten a lot of appreciation lately, and it has been compared to a big guy. And that stock is none other than NIO. NIO has been crazy lately. NIO has been increasing dramatically in the last few days. Right now, today, it's gone up 12%. This is just today alone. Yesterday, well, in the last 5 days, look at this amazing freaking increase. 34.87%, and that's just in the span of 1 week. Isn't that freaking wild? Look at this. In 1 month, 104%. Freaking crazy. Obviously, and in 6 months, way up, 1,069. They haven't been here for 6 months, but anyways, yesterday alone, it did close at $37.71. It opened up today at $38.78. People really do believe in it. They've been putting up amazing numbers lately in China. Don't forget, NIO is a Chinese company coming from Shanghai, China. They are backed up by the Chinese government, so they have been making pretty good numbers as of late. And then, currentently going for $42.35. It's been a huge freaking jump, right? If we look, because obviously the election is still going on. Lately, the S&P 500 has been doing pretty well. Apple up again 3.55%. Yesterday it was up 3.0 something percent. So everyone's been on a really positive trend. Obviously, if you haven't looked at the election yet, it's still 264 to 214, and this is according to Fox News. So it's still, people are still counting. Now, don't forget, if Joe Biden wins, make sure to look into those stocks that are eco-friendly. And if Donald Trump wins, the market should rise a little bit more as well. So either way, you could have a win-win. Now, why NIO has crushed the market? And I understand it's not Tuesday, it's Thursday. I get it. But they've been putting up crazy freaking numbers. Now, NIO's ambitions makes a lot of sense because it says right here, under project code name Marco Polo, the article stated that NIO has picked numerous employees to staff the unit. Ambitious car market plans to sell 7,000 of ES8 and ES6 SUVs on the continent within two years. This is this continent, right? Don't forget that they're from China. They've been putting crazy numbers. Now, it's been compared to Tesla lately, and we understand no one is at Tesla levels yet. And quite frankly, I agree with that, because Tesla is just a freaking, it's a monster of an EV company right now. But recently, Reuters compared that China's State Council estimates sales of new energy vehicles, which include battery electric NIO, to account for 20% of overall new car sales by 2025 in the country, right? It's only 5%, so it's going to be an increase of 15%. And imagine if NIO already over here at Tip Ranks, right? They have NIO currently priced at $42.35. They have had an increase of 12.3% today. They do have a market cap of $57.69 billion. And a yearly gain of 1.71,000%. Look at that, 1.71,000% year to date. They do have a price target of 25.69, which is pretty incredible based on they also have a target of 379 for Tesla. I don't think Tesla's gonna drop that low right now. They do have an analyst consensus of 6 buy, 3 hold, and 1 sell compared to equally with Tesla. Obviously, because Tesla moves a little bit, faster, and the trends tend to be a little higher compared to NIO. So you're able to get more wins on that. If you look over here in the map, obviously Tesla has grown so much compared to NIO, but over here at the end, since we're at November, they've pretty much gone up performance wise pretty freaking close. And that's pretty incredible to know, because NIO is fresh off the lot pretty much, and they have been putting up amazing numbers compared to that of Tesla. So a lot of people have been comparing NIO to Tesla, and honestly, me myself, I do like NIO. If I had a choice between either or, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more returns in the future, and faster returns for my money with NIO. But Tesla is just a monster. It's very stable. And then, as you can see right here, NIO joins Tesla in the ranks of electric vehicle makers worth more than General Motors, as Wall Street sees major upside. Now, you can't really compare it to General Motors, because General Motors have been decreasing as of late, but it's still pretty interesting to see that they're able to hit that mark. And so there's tons of things that NIO is doing that currently make me want to buy more stocks of NIO. Now, if you didn't get into NIO, maybe this is a little high depending on what they're gonna put up in the next few days. There has been a couple of times, like say for example right here, coming from $30 to $35 or $38, right here. Where is it? Right there. Yeah. This increase was just based solely on sales in China, I believe, but I think there might be a little bit of correction, because this just exploded out of nowhere without actually having any real or huge sales in general. But overall, I do like NIO. I do think that you should invest in NIO. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. This is today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I did want to make it a little bit short, not too long. Enjoy NIO, look into NIO. Has been doing amazing things lately compared to Tesla, and you already know, if anything is compared to Tesla, saying that, oh, it's like Tesla, it's like that company, and they're putting up amazing numbers in China, and Tesla needs to step up their game if they want to cover any ground in China, then NIO is definitely something to have in your portfolio. All right, so don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as subscribe, because honestly, it does go a long way in supporting the channel, and I do thank every single one of you guys. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.